Hi everyone. Today I am going to share with you the items inside my Curateur box and a few looks that I've put together with some of my own personal items that I've had from years past. I'm really excited about this box. It has beautiful things in it. I hope you enjoy. The Curateur box is a creation of Rachel Zoe. It's a combination of like an online shop and a subscription. The way the subscription works, you pay like $100 and you get about $400 worth of material. Really cool little setup. I like it, and I do think it's worth the money. So as part of the membership, you get to curate an item, and the choices for this particular box was between the Walter Baker Cosmo towel and the Walter Baker Tulum kaftan, which for me there was no choice. I think that kaftan is a showstopper, and I definitely had to have it. So besides the two main pieces, or one of the two main pieces, you get, I believe, 4 other items. You will get a tote designed by Rachel, and it's usable, made with vegan leather. I am 5'4". Let me see if I can. And this is how it fits a 5'4" woman in the heavy side. I am overweight for my height. Not obese yet, but overweight. But it is made with vegan leather, and it has a spot for my iPhone, which is a XR, so it's one of the larger ones. It will fit in there and you're still able to close the bag. And then there's another pocket, there's a zipper pocket, and the hardware has her logo in it. I'm just gonna put that down here. Another beautiful piece is the star lariat. This was a collaboration between Zoe and Melinda Maria. The pieces are plated in gold, but it feels plasticky. It's custom jewelry by far, but it is a beautiful piece. I love the moon, the stars, and then there's a blue stone right on top. Really cute, really trendy. It's substantial enough that you can wear it on its own. But I did have a question because of my gray hair, and you will see later in the video how I compared, and I will need your help telling me which one you like the most. Also, there is the onekind oil, and this thing is divine. I just adore the way it smells. It's made with 20+ types of oils, including rosehip and carrot seed. And I think carrot seed, one nourishes and the other one heals. It is a new experience for me. I've never done oils in my face before, and I really enjoyed it. I am currently using one at night from Peach's skincare line, which is all natural, but this is more like a fun one that I will use during the day just to kind of pamper myself. I really like it. The oil will melt into the skin, and you don't need a whole lot. I found that for my face, I only need 1 drop because it does soak in, but it takes a little while for that oil to soak in, or a lot of rubbing. So more than 1 drop is too much, which is great because I get to use this for the entire year. The other product is the Marc Jacobs lip gloss, which other reviewers have said it doesn't smell. It serves 2 functions. One is to hydrate. Apparently this thing is made with 5 different coconut oils. So I don't know what that means. I thought there was only one such a thing as coconut, but I guess it makes sense since everything in nature has its little variations. It has a doe foot applicator, and you can use it as a base to other lipsticks. It does smell like coconut, and it's lovely. Or you can use it on its own, which I think I'll probably use it on its own because I have a gloss to use on top of other things that gets messy. Don't you hate that? When you have clear gloss and then you put it on top of other lipsticks and then it gets pink. Ugh. So those are the two beauty products. The little tote bag, which mostly, I don't know, I'm not crazy about this tote bag. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna use it. Like, I have styled it. Later on in the video you will see how I styled it. Yeah, it's all right if you don't want to take your nice purses anywhere and you just want to go to the market and walk around comfortably with your kaftan and your Birkenstocks. It's a look. Looks I put together for this. Excuse the glasses. So the kaftan itself, oh, this is just gorgeous. I think the print is fabulous. It's super light and see-through. It's perfect for covering your arms, which I am very uncomfortable with my arms right now after my weight gain and menopause. So, and it's so light that even here in Houston, I can wear it every day, everywhere, on top of t-shirts. Usually you want to choose anything that is related to the colors here. You can use it, you can wear pink, gray-ish white, like that blue, the grayish blue, the deep burgundy. I love how my nails turned out with this. It just turned out so pretty. Anyway, and you can adjust the little ties to make it tighter or not. Well, the first thing that I have to ask you is, what do you think? Here's the look with because of my silver hair, wearing my silver jewelry. And I like it. I think it's lovely. I just think that when you use the lariat by itself, even with my gray hair, there is a heaviness to the lariat that just makes the look perfect. She is the stylist, I'm not. So obviously she knows what she's talking about. I think this looks fantastic. I try to put a few looks with my own accessories since I did not love the bag. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna use it. It just means I did not love it because I have a couple of other bags that I think would look fantastic. By the way, what do you think of these sunglasses? My husband prefers the aviator style ones. Those are Chloe, I think. And, oh, these are Chloe's too. Anyway, I bought those at Nordstrom. This one in the spring, and then this one was last year. So let me know which one you think looks great. I'm happy with either one. It depends on what my mood is that day. Let's go out and have dinner at the resort or somewhere else at the end of the day after being at the beach. This is a great look. All you have to do is wear espadrilles with white jeans and a black top. And I think you are good to go with that fabulous kaftan over it. I have this little bag that, you know, everybody has one. It's been around for at least 3 years now. I love it. I think it's a fantastic look. And a big hat. Probably got it on Amazon, not expensive at all. So that is one of my favorite looks right there. The same look wearing a cross bag because you don't want to be carrying that bag around. My very favorite look is this for the pool. I adore it. When you go to a resort somewhere, we get to go on vacation this summer for the first time in 2 years. I know for some of you that's nothing, but we haven't been anywhere in 2 years just because of life. Our last trip was to Brazil in the summer of 2 years ago. 2 years ago. And we haven't even been to San Antonio, which is a 2-hour drive away. So I'm excited to go somewhere. We planned a few trips for this summer. We're not going very far yet. This look is lovely. I have the Hermes look-alike sandals from a couple years ago. I think I bought those on Amazon. If I find the links to any and all of these items, I will post them down below so you don't have to go hunting for them. So as much as I can find, I'll put the link. Right now I'm not associated with Amazon. I'm not big enough, people. Try to subscribe so I have enough followers and I can get affiliated with Amazon so I can use the earnings from anything that I sell through the video back into the channel so I can buy more stuff to show you guys and share. Anyway, this look is my very favorite, and I think anybody will look fabulous at the pool wearing this, and lunch even at the pool restaurant or the beach restaurant. Okay, maybe wear some pants if you're going somewhere. And this look right here is the most casual, most relaxed of them all, because I would wear this. I don't think it's particularly flattering to me because of my height, but wearing the Birks, and I bought those on J.Crew, get a little scarf hanging off the tote bag, and be ready to walk around town. It's still the white jeans, and you just can walk around town all day wearing that and not hurt your knee. Yes, I have knee issues. So which look was your favorite? Was there a specific piece that you just cannot live without? I just want to let you know that I am affiliated with Curateur, which just means that if you use my link that you can find in the description box below, I will get a tiny commission. And all the money, these commissions are so tiny, but all the money that I make from those sales come back to the channel, as I like to purchase different boxes of makeup, beauty, lifestyle, and then I share them with you. I also enjoy candles, and I really think that they could use a candle in their boxes. That's one of my personal preferences, and I don't know if y'all can see, but Benevolence, let me grab that. Benevolence is one of my favorites. I am not associated with them at all, but I think it would look beautiful with this set. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. I'd love to have you part of my YouTube family. I usually post Wednesdays and Sundays. I don't know what my schedule will be like this summer as we're going on a couple of vacations. Well, I don't know that I am that organized that I can prepare my videos in advance, but either way, I'll be here now and then. I have on Sunday, don't forget to tune in because I will be on the live call with 4 awesome, fantastic YouTube ladies who are from 40 years old all the way to 70-year-olds that will be sharing a few experiences on aging gracefully and many other questions that you guys might have. It would be super fun. Hope you join. My channel is about beauty overall. I do makeup tutorials, even though I'm not a makeup artist, but just the things that I've seen, and so I'll gather and curate special makeups, or if we have questions, like I did a whole series on creamy eyeshadows, and watch the Sunday. I will post an eye makeup look that will be waterproof, which is super fun and tested, so I know it will work. I am looking forward to my next candle video where I will be reviewing several coffee scented candles, and that's so much fun. I cannot wait. So I hope that if you find that any of these topics or all of these topics are part of your lifestyle, and that you find that I can deliver them in a fun and beautiful way to you, I would really appreciate it if you were to subscribe. In order for my channel to be spread out on the YouTube platform, we need lots of interactions from our viewers. It is the only way that other people will be able to find my channel as well. And I am looking forward to touching the lives of as many women in our age that are going through their transitions and that still find joy in life through beauty. And I want to give them a home. And I would love for you, if you have a friend that you think would enjoy this video, please share. And you can share it by clicking that share button on the bottom of the screen, and a link is created. You can share that link via email or text, or just word of mouth. Say, hey, look for Catherine Hopkins Designs Life, and they will be able to find me. Well, I appreciate you even sticking around through all this gibberish about subscribing, but I'm such a small channel. I only started 2.5 months ago, and I would love to share the things that I find with you all. It is one of my creative outlets. I love creating beautiful videos or beautiful images. So I hope you guys stick around and subscribe. Bye.